Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kittu Gaming. Today we are playing PUBG and trust me, it's going to be full chaos, full fun and maybe some drama too. Okay, I'll be honest. Sometimes I feel like a total noob, sometimes like a pro, but sometimes honestly I think I'm a bot. I can't even define myself, but I love playing PUBG. I'm still learning. I don't always know how to clutch और हाँ कभी कभी सब कुछ गलत भी हो जाता है. But there's the fun part now. Watching me trying and somehow survive. Alright, I have already got my one kill. And एक enemy DP लेके बैठा हुआ है छत पे. Now, bro, it's your time to go to the heaven. Bye bye. मैं किसी और एनिमी को देख रही हूँ और एक बंदा यहाँ पे मुझे देख रहा है कब से. एंड उसने मुझे तक अभी नॉक नहीं किया. आई थिंक ही डिड मॉली टू मी. भैया मॉली कौन किया वे? वो तो नहीं किया. किसने क्या मुझे मॉली? I thought this guy was gonna attack first, but no. He's just hiding behind me like पहले तुम जाओ फिर मैं आता हूँ. Bro क्या बातें हो रही हैं? मतलब मैं ही मर जाऊँ पहले. I really thought he would go first, but look at him. कैसे कैसे टीममेट्स हैं. रैंडम के साथ खेलो तो ऐसा ही होता है. मेरे साथ एक टीममेट है जो पता नहीं कहाँ घूम रहा है. I don't know where is he. Okay guys, now it's time for some strategy. I'm just moving around searching for enemies and no, this is not camping, okay? Strategy is everything. See, yeah, I got one kill. One more kill. और हाँ कभी कभी मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ कि यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ. बट दैट्स अ पबजी फॉर यू. कभी स्मार्ट कभी टोटली chaotic. बट नो मैटर व्हाट आई एम हैविंग फन और होपफुली आप लोग भी इंजॉय कर रहे हो ना. एंड आई डोंट सी एनी एनिमीज येट बट आई थिंक इधर कोई है तो मैं जाती हूँ मरने या मारने. लेट्स सी. ओ भाई वन किल. DBS नहीं यार, इन्होंने तो मेरा ही पेटी बना दिया. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई, ये क्या हो रहा है. अब मैं जाती हूँ इसको रिकॉल करने के लिए. अरे ये ऑलरेडी रिकॉल हो गया है, इसके पास था रिकॉल वाला. Now I have Scarl and shotgun. My fave gun Scarl. In every video मैं Scarl का Scarl के बारे में बोलती हूँ. So because Scarl is my favorite gun, right? My first priority. Second gun always change होते रहता है. Like कभी Vector, कभी Scarl. I'm sorry, कभी shotgun and AKM. पहले मैं लूट कर लेती हूँ. And honestly, I don't even remember his name, that enemy who killed me first. Like seriously, who did this to me? So now it's like a little deactivate mission. I have to find this mystery guy, middle of the map. Number 2, Mr. TPS Sanin. ये पता नहीं कहाँ लूट कर रहा है. मेरे ही टीममेट मेरे ही साथ नहीं खेलते, वो लोग अलग ही जाते हैं क्योंकि मैं उनका कहीं किल ना चुरा लूँ इसलिए ना. बट यू नो व्हाट, दैट्स पबजी फॉर यू. कीप लूटिंग, कीप सर्वाइविंग एंड कीप योर आइज ऑन द प्राइज. And don't worry audience, I'm bringing you all along for this little chaos filled adventure. Okay guys, so before we jump into more gameplay, I want to be honest with you. I know I'm not a pro at editing or fancy stuff, or honestly I don't even know if you guys will like this or not, but here I'm just trying first try. I don't know all the editing tricks, voiceover tricks. I just say what comes to my heart. And yeah, I'm learning even in my usual videos. You'll see it's simple and natural, just the way it is. Some parts I try editing, some parts I have to learn more because that's life, right? And in this world you have to learn everything, editing skills, gaming, और हाँ सब अच्छी चीज़ें okay learn करनी चाहिए, except bad things of course. Without learning no one is gonna respect you or like grow in life. So I'm trying my best to learn good things every day. I hope you guys are also learning, growing and doing good in your life. And while we are at it, let's keep having fun, enjoying the game, laughing and learning together. Alright, now let's get back to the chaos and see what happens next. So my teammate number 2 is fighting with some enemies. His name is TPS Sanin. Honestly, sometimes I panic a little और हाँ कभी लगता है मैं ही गलत जगह पे हूँ, but that's fine because I gotta go help him. यानी saving teammates is part of The chaos. Alright, not today. Watch this. I see this guy hiding behind the pillar, thinking I didn't notice. Boom, knocked him out. While I'm reviving my teammate, the other enemy jumps in, ready to kill us both. How? But one perfect shotgun. Oh god. Lesson for you guys, enemies. Never underestimate someone who can multitask. Revive teammates, take out enemies, and stay in control the whole time. Okay, team saved. Look at him, breathing again, all thanks to me. Honestly, sometimes I feel like, wow, I'm actually a hero. I'm sorry, heroine. Or at least pretending to be one. Audience, I hope you're enjoying this chaos with me because trust me, it's wild out here. Hey, you. You want to go to the lobby? For sure, go to hell. And can we just take a moment to appreciate how random PUBG is? 1 second you are looting, next second you are saving teammates and the enemies. Not saving enemies anymore. Well, who even knows what they are doing? But yeah, revives, chaos, and little victories like this. This is what makes the game fun. Alright, let's see what trouble comes next. Hopefully, not too crazy or maybe just the right amount. Okay, guys, this just reminded me of something hilarious. I think I was in 7th or 8th class. याद नहीं exact. So we had this science practical, okay, and the teacher asked us to make a सूक्ष्मदर्शी मतलब microscope type thing, दूरबीन जैसा. And I had no idea how to make it. And I went to the shop, bought a yellow chart, and I'm like, okay, I'll just try my best. But then I thought, why don't I just copy it from the book? And I literally started drawing it pencil say directly from the book. And now imagine this. The chart was huge, but the Sukshamdarshi I drew, it was so tiny. मच्छर से भी छोटा नहीं, मच्छर से छोटा ज़्यादा हो गया. वो मच्छर के लिए ही बनाया था ऐसा लग रहा था. And I'm like, wow, it's so perfect. I'm gonna get first prize for sure. I was also dreaming for the same, right? But when the teachers saw it, they were laughing like crazy. They were like, how did you even do this? ये क्या है बहन? कैसे बना दिया? I was like, no, I did it myself. But inside, I was dying of embarrassment. And honestly, I didn't even realize how ridiculous it looked until now. मतलब पूरा येलो चार्ट और एक छोटा सा सूक्ष्मदर्शी जैसे मच्छर का ही माइक्रोस्कोप हो. And the funniest part, if you try to cheat also, you need brain, right? मतलब थोड़ा दिमाग चाहिए even for copying. And मेरे पास उतना दिमाग नहीं था उस टाइम बहन. अगर मेरे पास होता तो मैं ऐसा काम करती ही नहीं. मैं खुद से ही ड्रॉ करती. अगर ड्रॉ भी करती तो लाइक ऐसे करते कि पता ना चले सामने वाले को कि इसको नकल किया है या कॉपी किया है. लेकिन मुझे देख लो, मैं तो बुक से ही डायरेक्टली उस पर छाप रही थी अपनी नोटबुक पे, सॉरी चार्ट बुक पे. सो या मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, अगर कुछ भी करो ना, मेक इट थोड़ा बड़ा, नहीं तो पूरे टीचर्स के सामने हंसना गारंटीड है. Okay, enough about my tiny mini microscope. Let's go back to the game because chaos and enemies are waiting. And here it is. I got 1 kill. So while I was telling you that funny story, guess what? I just got another kill. And there is another one. I think I'm going to get this one too because he's out of zone. मेरे को एक और enemy मिला. हाँ? Choco again? I have killed him like 2-3 times already. How is he reviving non-stop? Seriously, bro, what kind of magic is this? Total 9 kills now, yay! Okay, I'm waiting, but where are the remaining enemies? 6, 7, I have lost count. Oh, here it is. Oh, there is one. Please, one more down. Yes! And one more. I don't know if he got revived because his teammate came already. कहाँ गया ये मुंडी नहीं दिखा रहा अब तो. हाँ, number 4, you can't just die like this. Bro, अब मैं उनको ऐसे ही देखते रहूँगी. बाहर तो निकलो फिर बताती हूँ. I don't know if we'll get the chicken dinner or not, but let's see.
Awesome.
नो वेट, कौन मार रहा है ये भाई? बंदा पीछे है शायद. मेरा हेल्थ देखो पहले. ये कौन नॉक किया? अबे कौन है? पीछे है बंदा शायद. Okay guys, so the game ends here. I totally forget to record because I got a call at the time. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe. Bye.